Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I am joined here by my cat Momo, and she is so excited about making this video. I wanted to show you what I got. Check it out. Oh, the light is too bright. There we go. Ooh. 36 cup seed tray starting kit. So it's biodegradable. You can see the little things right here. Biodegradable, comes with a plastic lid, plastic top to cover it, and it's like a little greenhouse. Kind of like the other one I showed you the other day. The mini greenhouse. Roasted chicken. And I got a bunch of seeds. Let's check it out. I got some cilantro. We'll start with the herbs and spices and stuff. I got some dill. Parsley, Italian flat leaf parsley. Some sweet basil. Sweet basil. Let's see what else we got. Another type of basil, sweet basil. Genovese, something like that. Then we got some broccoli, organic broccoli, and another kind of broccoli. Got some orange bell peppers. I need to get some more peppers. Want some red, yellow, everything. This is all they had right now, so organic. Matt's Wild Cherry. It's a cherry tomato. I got two of these actually. 2 cherry tomatoes. Nasturtium. I think I'm saying that right. Probably not. It's a plant from India. And I heard it's pretty good. I picked it at first to be one of my pollinating plants. It comes with it'll make a nice flower and attract the pollinators. Amaranth, I think is how you say this. Amaranth. That stuff's supposed to be pretty good too. Of course, we got some lettuce. And some carrots. Tomato, of course. And some peas. Getting some peas. So we can have peas and carrots. So we're excited about this. Right, Momo? She's excited. So, I'm going to be putting this together, and I need some grow lights. I need a lot more stuff so I can start growing right now indoors because it's still cold out. It's only the end of January. So I need some grow lights. I need some other things to go with it. And all that stuff should be coming soon. So we'll be able to get that started. I'll make a video of that as soon as it comes in. And we're all really excited about this. Right, Mama? Say hi. She's excited. All right. I'll be making more videos, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to hook this up. We're going to put the soil, fertilizer, everything, put it all in there. I think I have the perfect spot for it. But I'm probably going to need a grow light at first because the sun is not right there. But probably another month. And then that spot that I have in front of my window, it'll be the perfect spot for this. So stay tuned and we'll see how it all comes out. Hold on, let me show you something. Look at the roots. That's the onion. This is almost 10 days later. I think it's like the 7th day, 8th day. It's getting big. And I never knew this about onions, but it feels like rubber. It feels rubbery. It's weird. But it's growing nicely, so we're doing good. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. Please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see when I make the second video for this and put it all together. And we're going to have a lot of fun with that. So stay tuned. God bless.